I actually have been doing okay with time management. When I do my schoolwork, I focus on only schoolwork. And when I am with my family or my friends, I only think about that. So I set aside time for kind of everything. Grad school is a lot more demanding, I guess, of your time. I feel myself, there's a lot more work, and I mean, you have classes that are very different from undergrad classes, because in undergrad they give you a book and they say, okay, today we're going to study chapter 1. And so you go and you read through chapter 1 and you go do the tests. And grad school, it's more like, okay, this is what we're going to learn, and here's a bunch of books you can read and articles you can read. And so you have to learn kind of not just what they teach you, but also everything around it. So there's a lot more you have to study, and you have to kind of go about, not really on your own, because you can always ask the professors for help, but you kind of have to put extra effort into them. And then you also have TAing if you're TAing classes, so you have other students you have to worry about, make sure they're learning and they're getting the help that they need, and you're grading papers to help them out, and then there's also research. So it's just a lot more time consuming.
Balancing my life at the moment is very interesting, actually. Sometimes I feel like I am doing research all day, every day, and I come in on the weekends, and but then it's something that I look forward to every day, with classes and research and working in the lab. I feel like is fun for me now. Before it was a job and it was something that I had to do, and now it's something that I look forward to doing. I enjoy coming in, I enjoy working on my research, I look forward to finding the results and finding data. So balance in my life, I feel like, is something that I've learned to do over the years, and I keep myself busy all the time, but I feel that research is obviously always on top because it's something that I enjoy.
One of the best pieces of advice I can give you is make sure you don't neglect your personal life, and you have a chance to find things that you like to do, especially exercise. That's really good for your mind and for the body. So make sure that you don't neglect your health. And that's something I think I did in my undergraduate years, is I just got so focused on work that I forgot about enjoying life and staying healthy and having more fun. During my graduate work, I think I ended up having a much better balance, which worked better for me. It was intellectually a lot more challenging, but in terms of the time requirement was a lot better, and I think I found a much better balance. But I think the main thing you need to keep in mind is to focus on making sure that you're able to enjoy life, make sure that you're able to contribute positively to the lives of the people around you, the people who care about you and who love you, but at the same time, also being really efficient with the time that you do spend on your work. If you have 5 hours, what's the most you can get done in those 5 hours? If you have 3 things that you need to get done, how quickly can you get those 2 things, or get those things done to the highest quality that you would consider acceptable?